For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. Next one in our list is AR Blue Clean AR390SS 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. It generates an amazing 2000 psi, up to 30 times as much pressure as a typical garden hose while reducing water consumption by over 80%. It is safe to use on most concrete, stone and stucco surfaces. Great for patio furniture, garbage cans, pet cages, lawn mowers, outdoor equipment and much more. It conserves water by using 80% less water with 45% more power than a standard garden hose. Its 35-foot power cord featuring auto-reset GFCI module. It is quieter than gas engine models. Very easy and quick to able, just use the quick connects easily your garden hose. It also includes adjustable spray and turbo lances and the 20-foot high-pressure hose. Comes with onboard storage for easy setup and accessory storage. This electric power washer is perfect for medium to heavy-duty residential cleaning projects with superior results. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.